Hey, welcome back to Crazy Gamer Models. This is going to be a very light JagdTiger update. Because here's the situation. Before I did the picking of the model kits and all that on around July 1st, I had ordered a tool. It's a Mr. Polisher Pro 3, and it was coming from Japan. And they said 3 to 4 weeks delivery. And this was, I checked it, it was July 1st was the order. Well, it's officially lost. And I've been waiting for that to work on this JagdTiger, and I figured I'd do the transmission, do this while I'm waiting, and the engine and all that stuff while I'm waiting for this to come in. Well, it's officially the 21st of August, 2019. So it's been almost 2 months since that was ordered, and they finally confirmed and admitted that it was most likely lost, and they're dispatching another one expedited, and it'll be here within 4 or 5 days. So when that arrives, I'll be taking a look at it, showing it on the thing, and then the JagdTiger is going to go front line. It is going to get, I got to get on this. It's taking too long. I want to get this lower haul done, give the first prize away to those who are sharing and commenting and things like that. And I want to get this on. I feel like it's been delayed way too long. But I'm going to show you what I have done up to this point. So this is the transmission cover where I fixed it and I lowered the bolts and I put the strapping on top. I'm going to paint that leather. I'm going to paint this transmission cover a greenish color. I'm going to paint this German gray and weather it with a lighter gray dry brush. This is the 2 transmission pieces. This fits in here like that. I know it's not a lot of progress. Sorry about the noise in the background. I am in a laundry room and the laundry is going. And then I have this section of the lower hull with all my Mr. Surfacer build and waiting for my polisher that has all these cool little tips for getting into all these little nooks and crannies and cleaning all this stuff up that I had intended. I mean, literally July 1st I ordered it. This is insane. A month and 21 days. So 52 days so far. It's been 52 days. And they finally acknowledged that it was lost. This is crazy. I don't want to feel like I've been slacking on the JagdTiger. I would just put it off, and I was like, oh, it's going to show up. It's going to show up. It's going to show up. It's going to show up today. It's going to show up today. Well, they officially confirmed it's lost. So, as I said, they dispatching me another one. It'll be here 4 or 5 days. So here's what we have so far. We have the engine and the transmission and some work done on the lower hull. That's what we have done so far. I filled all the holes in the gearbox, just waiting for, like, this one's all been cleaned up. These are waiting for a prime and put together, but I'm going to put these right here. I got all the stuff filled and cleaned up. I'm just waiting to put them together on the build because I want to build this on camera. But I've been waiting. I still am not able to airbrush on camera. I can't even get into that. I'm not, with my disabilities, I'm not very technically savvy anymore. So I have to learn a little bit at a time. But building the models is something I love to do, and I enjoy doing it. Painting, not so much, but I want to do a good job. So I got this done, and this is where I'm at. I mean, this was all ordered. All the attachments and the different grit sandpaper and all this stuff was ordered at the same exact time as the Mr. Polisher 3, and this showed up in less than a week. I mean, it showed up in less than a week. And it's an electronic item, so if it's been lost this long, who knows what kind of truck it's been banging around on this whole time. So I mean, it wasn't an expensive item, but, you know, you order something, you expect to get it, and, you know, I've been complaining to their customer service where I ordered it from for weeks now, and they're like, oh, it'll turn up, it'll turn up. Well, finally today I got an email from them saying that it was lost and they're dispatching another one. It'll be here within 4 or 5 days. I have a tracking number, still not active yet, so hopefully it will be here and we can continue with the JagdTiger. So, yes, I have been dodging, installing, and working on other things, just hoping it would show up so I could get, do this stuff on camera and show you this stuff. And it's driving me crazy. So, I've been working on the Panther. The Panther's getting along, making videos, reviewing kits. Um, you know, I go to the hobby store once a week. They let me bring home a kit, review it, and then I bring it back the next week and exchange it for another one. So I have a lot of kits that I have reviewed that I haven't released the videos yet. So that's going to be what's going up until I get this next video, and then there'll be a Panther update soon. But this is the JagdTiger update. It's super light. It's just basically an apology that there hasn't been more on this, and an explanation why. I mean, I was hoping things would show up, but, hoping in one hand, crap in the other, and see which one fills up first, as the saying goes. So that is that. So that's going to do it for this video. Thanks for sticking with me, guys. I hope that next week is 4 or 5 days. I'll have it next week, and I can start getting videos out 2 a week, once a week. Get nice build videos and get this thing built up and start giving some stuff away. Because remember, at the end, Takom JagdPanther kit coming your way to those who like, subscribe, share the videos, and comment down below. Also, there's going to be a hobby grab bag giveaway. Is going to have some cool hobby products in there. And like I said, I went to the hobby store today and I picked up some cool stuff. I picked up some AK survival weathering brushes, and I picked up some stuff to try here. This all-clad lacquer white primer and microfiller. I'm going to be trying this stuff out because it is already mixed. I mean, the Mr. Surfacer 1500 is great, but I always mix too much. I always have too much surface, and it's a waste. Or it goes on too thick or something like that. So that's it. I know I said that 3 times, but this is actually it. For Crazy Gamers Models, I am the Crazy Gamer. You guys have a fantastic day.